If you want a six pack, just watch this video. That's the only thing you have to do is watch this, and you will have a six pack in 3 minutes.
I just pull up in my coupe. I might just fuck in your boo. Look at my hundred stay blue. Oh, yeah. I'm getting back to school. Diving that bitch like the pool.
If you want to get even more sweaty, use a trash bag, you know? Yeah, sir. Use this. Sweat even more. You want to sweat, do you? Sweat even more. See what I'm saying? Come on. Pull the shirt too, so you can feel that fight. Tuck it in. Let's go back to what he's doing. Three, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. Y'all get some water. Water. Next we're gonna do some real stuff. So laying down on the mat, work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. Oh. Ah, that hurt. I don't give up though. Let's go. Stretch, I'm finna do some push-ups. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I should have did before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, I did 10 of those. I'm gonna do some push-ups now. I'm already tired. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm gonna do 10 of them though. You know? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did 10 of them. Can I do 10 more? Everybody like that, put that like button if I can do 10 more. Everybody smash a like and I do 10 more. Smash the like button, hurry up. Hurry up so I can do 10 more. Come on. Cause I've been lifting no weights. Come on, smash the like button. Right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It might seem like it's easy, but I was doing them hard things. I did more push-ups than before, but I've been really working, man. 1. That's it right there. Wait right here. That's how you get a six-pack easily. Gotta keep sweating. Sweat every day. Look, that's sweat, bro. I know I've been working. That's how you really get one. Look at that sweat, man. This is not fake. It's not water. That's sweat, man. You gotta work every day, bro. If y'all really want them results, you gotta work every day, man. Everybody, stop being lazy. Get up out your seat. You gotta work. You gotta work every day, hard, like I just did. Work hard, man, and you'll get to where you wanna be. That's it. It didn't feel like I worked that hard, but I did. But it's sweat. You know what I'm saying? Sweat. You know what I'm saying? Look at it. You see it? Look at that orange right there, see? You know what I'm saying? I'm not playing. Don't be thinking I'm a little boy. You know what I'm saying? That's all sweat right there, look. You gotta drink some water though when you're done. You know what I'm saying? You gotta work. If you really want to show results, y'all, kids and everything, you just gotta work. That's it, like I did. That's it. Stop eating fast food, y'all, for one. Drink a lot of water every day, 6 days. I said 6 days. Drink a lot of water every day. That's it for real. And you'll get to where you want to be. That's it. I love y'all. Y'all already know what to do. I didn't start y'all with the intro, but let's get it. It's a rainy day. Let's get it, man. Let's get this six-pack on. Let's go.